Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing Cureskin Foot Cream. This video is a simple unboxing and review. Okay, this is the outer box. The box looks clean and neat. All details are printed clearly. Foot cream with urea lactic acid. Cureskin Foot Cream. Okay, now I open the box. Direction for use. Okay, box open quickly. Wow, inside we get this cream jar. The jar is small and easy to carry. This is Cureskin Foot Cream, 50 grams. This cream is made for foot care. It helps dry feet and cracked heels. It has urea, lactic acid and salicylic acid. These help to remove dead skin. They make the feet soft and smooth. The cream color is white. The texture is thick but smooth. It easily apply on the skin. The smell is mild and nice. How to use? First, wash your feet with water. Dry your feet with a towel. Take a small amount of cream. Apply on heels and dry areas. Use at night before sleep. After use feeling. The cream absorbs well. It does not feel very sticky. Feet feel soft after use. Who can use? Men and women can use this cream. Good for people with dry feet, good for cracked heels. My simple opinion, this is a simple and useful foot creams, easy to use at home, good for daily foot care. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye, see you. Okay.